right, replacing feed tires on a Brother multifunction machine. This happens to be an MFC-L6900DW. And when you're having problems with this double feeding or not feeding at all in this particular document feeder, you want to replace the feed tires and the double feed prevention roller. And I can tell you the worst part about this is just getting the two panels off, which will be the front and the rear. After that, it's smooth sailing. So let's get started. So you'll lift this up like that. And then up underneath here, there's going to be a screw. Let me redirect. A screw right here, and then there's going to be a screw right there. You take those out. There's going to be a clip here, 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 and then there's going to be one on the top. So you'll just start at this far side, pry those open while lifting up on the panel. And like I say, this is the hardest part about doing this job. So you'll keep this pried up like this while moving these little clips over. And then on the top, there's going to be one right behind this panel, and you'll just stick your screwdriver down in there and just pry it up. And then that is the front panel. Then we'll swing around. Well, there's going to be a clip down here, and you'll pry that over. And there's going to be one on the far side as well. And you'll pry that one up. And like I said, this is really the hardest part about this, because these panels are such a pain to get off. As you can see, I'm having a hard time myself. There we go. And then there's going to be, just like in the front, there's going to be a clip right here, and you'll pry that up as well. I made that look a lot easier than it is. Trust me, it's a royal pain, and I had them actually halfway popped off anyways, just to save y'all time on this video. All right, so what we're going to be replacing is this whole section right here, and then the section up underneath. This is the feed tire, pickup tire, and feed roller. And to get it out, it's pretty simple. You're just going to take a little, let me get in a little closer here. There's going to be a little tab right here on the right hand side there, and you're just going to take your fingernail and pull that tab out. You can see it right there, and just pull that out. And then the feed section is going to slide, and you'll need to get this C-clip right there out of the way, and then this whole section will slide right out, and then you can just slide it right back. Okay? And then this whole section right there will come right out of the machine. Now next, we want to get the double feed prevention roller out. This is what keeps it from feeding in more than one sheet. And it's held in just with one screw, which will be right here. And you'll take that, and then this whole section right here will come out. Okay, and this pad is what keeps it from feeding in more than one sheet, and that's what generally goes bad. But I tell you, these things will last like 200,000 copies. So if you need to replace this and your feed tires, you've put a lot of mileage on your little brother. But that will just go back in reverse order. Put your screw in. Put the side that doesn't have the C-clip, take that and slide it right back in over there, and then slide this side back in. And that C-clip that I showed you earlier, it's going to be in the way, and so you'll just want to turn that to where it's not, and then you can slide this whole unit right back over. Then you'll just slide your, oh, by the way, you'll have to get this, it's got a flat edge, so you'll have to get that aligned up with the flat edge on your shaft. Slide that back in, put your two panels back on, and you are done. And that's all there is to putting feed tires on one of these brothers. Like I said, the biggest pain is getting these panels off. That's the hardest part. If you liked the video, please send me a like and a subscribe. I appreciate it.